Hello vegetarian rockers, today we are going to make a very tasty snack from mushrooms, bell peppers or capsicum, and here are some basic ingredients we are going to use. This is the one serving spoon of chickpea flour, this much of chickpea flour, and the same amount 1 serving spoon of curd, and these are our ingredients: turmeric, cumin powder, pink salt, pepper, red pepper, salt, mint leaves, garam masala, black pepper, and garam masala and mint leaves. They are optional. These are all only for the flavors. So if you want to skip them, you can skip them, and you use the only basic flavors: salt, pepper, and lemon. And we are going to use a little bit of olive oil. You can use butter also instead. First of all, we are going to add chickpea flour, curd, mix them, and then add little amount of salt, little pink salt also, pink Himalayan salt, turmeric, red pepper, black pepper, garam masala, mint leaves, and mix them, and add 2-3 drops of olive oil also, or you can use melted butter into it also. Now mix them. Just to make a little thinner consistency, I add water. Mix it well. After mixing, you can add water because we need little thin consistency, not very thick, otherwise it will not cook properly. And now we will add our mushrooms, capsicums into it. I cut them into small squares. Wash mushrooms with the boiling water before, and mix them properly and marinate them. Coat all the vegetables with this mixture. So mixing is done. Now we have to leave this for around like 30 to 40 minutes like this in your kitchen, so that they will marinate properly. And the most important thing I'm going to tell you, that I'm making these snacks not on barbecue. You can make it in barbecue also, or on direct flame also, by using this stick. Just put all these things in this stick, and you can use directly over the flame or barbecue. But still, as so many people they don't have barbecues in their home, I'm going to make this in the normal hot plate or tawa directly on flame. So let's wait for 30 minutes. Stove on medium flame and grease the pan with butter or extra virgin olive oil. Take non-stick pan only. Now place veggies directly over it. It is little time consuming because we have to cook over all the sides. So after 2-3 minutes, I'm going to turn them. But I'm going to tell you that so they start cooking. I can hear the sound, the crackling sound. So keep them on low flame for about 2-3 minutes. We can check by turning them. You can cover them also with a lid. You can see I turned them, all of them. They cook from one side. Now from bottom, and then we have to cook it from the other side also. Press them a little bit. These sides are also ready. Now you can just turn around it to the other side. It's about after 5 to 8 minutes, they all are very nicely cooked. You can see they cook from the both sides. So it's time to serve them, and you can sprinkle any seasoning you want over them at the time of serving. So friends, here our yummy snack with mushroom, capsicum and bell pepper is ready to serve, and it looks so nice, it smells so nice, and it will definitely taste so good. And enjoy the snacks, or you can say it's very filling for me. I'm going to take this in my dinner. It will go very well with the mint coriander chutney or sauce, and you can sprinkle cheese over it also. So hope you like this video, and please do not forget to press the bell icon if you like this recipe, and if you are new in my channel, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon for the upcoming updates.